Round number 2, I decided to color the rounds we have already finished with yellow, so you could differ what we're doing. The next step, we have to make the raising loop. This is the raising loop. And then goes the element with double crochet. Why you see this round circle under the double crochet, this one, which says it's a front post double crochet. It goes around the element, it goes to the double crochet from the previous round. In between those elements will be one loop, one single crochet into the arch, and again one loop. And again we continue the same element. We don't skip anything. We go with this element into each double crochet from the previous round, which means we are going to have 8 elements. So in case there are some questions here for you, please let me know. Right now I'm just coloring the spaces just to show you. In the end here you don't see the slip stitch like in the previous round because it's not the full version of the round, but there will be the slip stitch into the first double crochet. Let me show you how we're doing this. So here we are in the beginning, and to start the round we start with the raising loop, and I make it very loose so it would be easier for you to start to raise the round. Yarn over 1 time. This will be our first double crochet. We finished with it, above it I would say. So we have to make 3 pieces of double crochet around it. Yarn over 1 time. You can keep and help yourself with the finger. And then I fold the doily in purpose because it makes my crochet much easier. 1 double crochet. The second one goes inside the same, around the same double crochet, and the third as well. I do not unfold here. I make 1 loop, and only after that I unfold the doily, and I go into the arch of 1 loop of the previous round and make a single crochet here, and 1 loop again, and the same element around the next double crochet. Don't forget, help yourself to stretch the elements. Nothing is going to happen to them if you fold the doily, stretch the doily, and so on. Second crochet, and the third one, and again 1 loop. Unfold and make 1 single crochet into the arch and 1 loop again. This is the pattern of the round. Please don't skip anything. I will show you how to finish this round in a second. Here we are in the end. I have already made 1 loop here, 3 double crochet around the last double crochet. I made 1 loop, and now I'm making 1 single crochet into the arch and 1 more loop. Find the top of the first double crochet and make a slip stitch like this one to finish the round. Also, I recommend to tighten the middle like this one. And here we are. Oh my god, I just started to do, but I already love this doily. It's so pretty. I love the 3D doilies. See you in the next round.